What's up guys, it's Matwire back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete the reflectors on your BMW. What's up guys, so like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to delete the reflectors on your BMW today. This is probably one of the easiest installs that you can do, but I'm doing it to mine, so whatever I do to my car I'm going to show you guys. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so for this particular install, you're going to need a few things. Obviously, you're going to need the reflectors that you're going to be replacing the old ones with. In my case, I have black reflectors now. You're going to need an 8mm socket. You're going to need some kind of cleaner to get the glue off once you take off the old ones. I have rubbing alcohol and a cloth to do that. You're going to need a heat gun as well. And then last but not least, you're going to need some type of like bungee cord or just something to hold back the wheel well panel when you're working in there. So now that y'all know what y'all need to complete the job, let's go ahead and do it. So the first step you're going to want to do is remove the 3 8mm screws that are in the wheel well. There's one right here at the bottom, one in the middle, and then one at the top. Alright, so I went ahead and removed the 3 screws. There's a 4th one right at the very top. It's not necessary for the install to remove that one, but if you want a little more working room, you can go ahead and do that. So next, I'm going to be using my bungee to kind of hold this back, so that way while I'm working, it's not in the way. Alright, so as you can see, I got a lot going on here with the bungee. At the end of the day, as long as you create enough tension for this to be held back, you'll be okay. If the tips of the bungee are metal, just be sure not to scratch your paint or your rims. So the next thing you want to do is grab your heat gun and heat up the old reflector just to loosen up the old glue that's behind here. I would say do it for about a minute to a minute and a half, or until you feel that the reflector is coming loose where you can pop it out. And make sure when you're using your heat gun, just make sure that you're staying at an even pace, you know, all around. Don't stay in one spot for too long, and don't get too close to the paint because you could damage it. So as you can see, it popped off pretty easy. You're just gonna make sure you get it heated enough to where the glue or the adhesive is easy to remove. Just gotta work with that a little bit. All right guys, so now that you got your old reflector off, what you're gonna wanna do next is stick your hand back here and remove any additional adhesive that might have been left. Like I can feel some right now, as you can see, just little adhesive. You wanna make sure that's off, so that way when you put on your new reflector, it'll have a seamless fit. All right, so all the adhesive has been removed. I found that it was easier if you heat up the adhesive as you're trying to remove it, because if not, it can be stuck on there pretty good. All right, now that you've made sure that there's no more additional glue back here, you're gonna wanna use your cleaning product with a rag. Just make sure you clean it up real nice before you apply the new ones. All right, y'all, so now that you made sure that the inside is nice and clean after you've cleaned it with your cleaning product, it's time to go ahead and install the new reflector. This black reflector, I think, looks perfect. I'm about to go ahead and do the other side and show you guys what it looks like afterwards. And just like that, guys, the video is over. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so I can keep giving you guys some BMW content. Peace.
we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now.